गैंग का फुटपाथ है, इस पे कभी भी नहीं चढ़ना।
राइट वाला, लेफ्ट वाला, राइट।
राइट वाला, सॉरी सॉरी, क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं। कम।
Cough him, cough him, cough him, cough him. Cougher, cougher. Fast, cougher. Hey, put your gun inside and cougher.
Wait.
Put your gun
Cuffing
inside
you?
and cougher.
Cuffing
Yeah,
you?
that's all.
No problem, no problem. Trying. Oh my god.
Oh,
Okay.
nice, nice, nice.
Come here, come here. Wait. Can someone come here? Can someone come here? I'm cuffing you. Just the black
Hey,
magic. Wait. Black magic is
she's
happening to me
inside,
as well.
she's inside.
No problem though. What he is doing?
She's inside. Wait, I will take it out. She's not coming. Call, pray for God. She did by herself, you know, we can't do anything. Leave. Let me go. Get her a seat. Here you go. She came up.
Okay, ma'am, I'll be dragging you by arm.
Drag her.
Okay, ma'am, I'll be dragging you by arm.
She's the most searched criminal, you know, by our PD, I think.
What's her charges, by the way?
ATM robbery.
Okay, ma'am, I'll be releasing you by arm. I'll be putting you inside the vehicle. Please watch your head.
He's wanted by the state. Okay. Just move from him. Come get in car. Ayushi.
Ayushi, get in car fast.
Okay, sorry.
So his charges are he's wanted by the state. Okay. And
Yeah, okay.
robbery for 18. And also there is a failure to comply.
Okay, ma'am,
And
your charges are...
we will search him, and we will add one more charge when we
Reach
let
DOC.
me reach the no. We will search him inside the parking lot. No problem. Take her out and search him also.
Okay, ma'am, I'll be taking you out of the vehicle. Please watch your head. Okay, ma'am, I'll be searching you for any illegal items. She has okay, she has one lockpick set. She has a prohibited item. So one more charge added to you.
Yeah,
Possession of
confiscate
prohibited
that
item.
item.
Wait, I had to
Take out that item,
confiscate.
like confiscate. Yeah, otherwise she will uncuff herself, you know.
Okay, ma'am, I have confiscated all your illegal items.
Let's go. Then put her back.
Okay, I'll be putting you inside the vehicle. Please watch your head, ma'am.
Prohibited items, failure to comply, robbery, and what is the fourth one charge?
Wanted by the state.
Wanted by the state. There is no charge for the wanted by the state. Just we have.
Okay, ma'am, your charges are possession of prohibited items, failure to comply, and robbery of an ATM. So I'll be reading your rights now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand the rights I just read to you? Okay, I'll be reading for the second time. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand the rights I just read to you? Okay, third and last time. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand the rights I just read to you? Okay, you understand your rights.
Please watch your head. Okay, I'm gonna take it from here. There is a rough road, I know. Just watch your head.
Do we have to provide her medical attention?
No need. As we will provide her medical attention.
और तू तू हमको टैंक भेजने की जगह उनको भेज दे गलती फिर तो क्या होगा?
Should we take her mugshot also? It's gonna be easier for us to find her again.
Okay, ma'am, I'll be getting you outside of the vehicle. Please watch your head. Okay, ma'am, I'll be dragging you by arms.
Not there. Sit on the floor. Come here. Okay, I will open the door for you. Ask her jumpsuit size and
Okay, ma'am, I'll be releasing you by arms. What's your jumpsuit size? I'm asking you again,
Give
what's
him
your jumpsuit size?
free size.
Okay,
Get
I'll
a
give you a
free
free
size.
size jumpsuit. Okay, ma'am, I'll be dragging you by arms.
Come here.
Come this one.
Go fast. There is a spec ops. Go fast.
Put the jumpsuit at the bed first.
Okay, I'll be releasing you by arms.
Put the jumpsuit at the bed and take her ID.
a lawyer.
No, she doesn't.
Okay.
Take the identification
She's wanted by the
from
state.
her.
Just take from the
Okay.
back pocket.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll
just
be.
take from pocket. Mhm.
Okay, I'll be. No, I cannot do that actually. I'm just a petrol officer.
You can
So I'll.
Wait. Just
G muscle and you can go to find out information.
Okay, I'll
That's
be.
8 muscle then.
I'll
Try
be
it.
searching your pockets for personal information, ma'am. No, I cannot do that. To see a passport
Okay.
or to uncover. Okay, I'll be uncuffing you, ma'am. You have 5 seconds to show your passport. Okay, 5, 4. No, show your passport, ma'am, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, next side. Yeah.
Cuff her now.
Okay, I'll be cuffing you again, ma'am. Okay, I'll be searching on PDA. Yes, so your charges are again possession of prohibited items, failure to comply, and ATM robbery.
Yes. Give him maximum fine 50k only, okay? If there is 50 above 50k, don't give 50k above, okay?
Officer. Hello.
No, I don't.
Why are you forcing, officer? Why are you forcing for a lawyer? Okay. Officer, you are for completing the 10-15 situation. Oh, okay. Completed. Yamraj, we go on duty. Put your uniform on you.
15. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Baby
You have too
Utopia.
much place.
Hello, baby Utopia. Can you come outside? Uh,
Arrestor. So you put. Yep.
Okay, ma'am, I'll be arresting you now. I'll be uncuffing you. I'll be arresting you now.
Suit. Okay. Just say putting the yes. Come outside now.
Okay, ma'am, you have a nice
You're
day.
done. Just now. Save your body cam.
Utopia, why you catch
Hello, officer. Which one is detainee officer?
females? Females.
This guy.
You
Hello,
see,
officer. You are detainee
He's
officer?
a team
See.
robbery, doing a team robbery and so
Hello.
wanted by the state.
see, in grand posting. Posting in grand.
Okay. Show me your ID, officer. Hello. Show me your ID.
Hello?
Show me your
He's
ID.
detaining
Show him your
officer.
ID.
Okay. Please, sir, show your ID. I want a proof and fill the logs. Hello. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
sorry. Are you ma'am?
You're welcome.
Sir, naughty,
Anything
naughty.
else?
Naughty, naughty, sir.
guys.
No notice.
You are going.
Yeah, right.
with two
Don't
girls,
disturb the
huh?
other officers.
I am not disturbing. They are catching 10-15 with two girls.
Problem.
Oh my god.
Yamraj is our friend, bro. We don't.
Yamraj.
Hi.
Yesterday I will do warden job whole day.
I also
Okay.
do.